guys, welcome back to another video. Let's see, what do I have for you? You already know, it's in the title. I got my IPSY Glam Bag for November. So my regular glam bag, my IPSY Glam Bag X is on its way. So that'll be coming soon. So IPSY is a month-to-month, by the way, a month-to-month beauty box subscription. This one here is $13 a month, and it went up. It used to be $12. As of this month, it is now $13 a month. So you get 5 products in your bag, and one of them you do get to choose. Now, you're going to have some, pretty much 4 out of 5 are going to be deluxe samples. So just be prepared for that. This is it. It's I got some questions about this one here. Okay, that's all I'm gonna say. It's like a crushed velvet is literally what it feels like. It feels like curtains. I had curtains that were very similar to this. It's so and so did my aunt growing up back in the 70s. We go visit. She had this crushed velvet green. Anyhow, it has a real pretty, it looks like rose gold or some type of copper, the hardware on it. Nice little zipper. Nothing on either side. Just crushed velvet and burgundy inner lining. You do get a card. So just gonna let you know that inside the card, it is going to give you a list of all the products that are inside your little bag, as well as a description of it, including the retail price. So we'll get to that in just a sec. So let's see what we got in the bag first, and then we'll go through the prices. Okay. Kind of start with the small, then work ourselves up to the big. I don't know. I'm just grabbing whatever the hell I grab. So now this one was outside the bag. This is that one by, oh, and I did not put on contacts. So we're doing this kind of blind. Basically it is, we're doing this blind. This one is by, oh, what's his name? What's the name again? It's like Bo something. Oh no, Bella N. Argent. Real pretty, that silver. It's got like a gunmetal smoke. Almost like an army green from the where I'm looking at it, or maybe it's just the tint bouncing off the light. But it does, it looks like that army green. And then it has the real pretty gray. Those gray bristles, real pretty. But it's by Bella and Argent, and it's a secret powder concealer brush, power concealer brush. So nice. I'll always use a concealer brush. I mean, I'm serious. These things will go inside my containers. And then we have, now that is, I'm jumping ahead. This is considered full size. The next one is by Real Her, and this is a lip liner in the color I Am Loved. So are they considering this I Am Loved the color? I do like it. I mean, I like this color. Are you guys getting the cat that from the Demon Child? If I could get this tip to work properly, this is the color, and it's really pretty. It's like a burgundy, close to what I'm wearing. The Kaylin, the metallic wave. But, I mean, look at how much of the tip I lost. That's a lot that broke off there. All right, Chief. You guys are going to have to do better than that. But this is the I Am Loved by Real Her. Did I mention you get 5 items? I did. I know I did. Don't say I didn't. You that said I did. No, you go sit in the back now. Okay, and then by Pure M, pH Balance Calming Toner. I shook it up. It is kind of creamy, isn't it? Now this one says that you apply to clean skin, pour directly onto your palms, and pat gently into skin. I was just going to read the for external use only. I think we get that. Got it. We got it. Okay. Next one, and this was my choice. This one here was my I think it was. I have to go back and look now. I don't know. Whatever. You guys will know because I always mark it on the screen. Okay, and then Tatcha, the Luminous, I think this was me. The Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Look at how tiny that little thing is. Okay, so I have the regular size bottle of this. And I can tell you right now, it's going to take you more than this to say whether or not you like it. Well, no, maybe you won't. Maybe you won't. You difficult people, probably you easier, the ones that are easier to please, you guys will like it. I don't know, it doesn't seem like there's a whole heck of a lot. And it is a spray, see? Well, a pump spray, but you know what I mean. With a really bad pump. Whoa. Okay, this is the mess. This is, no. Good luck. I hope your spray's better than this one because I'm going to pour this into my big one. My full-size bottle so that, yeah, I'm just going to dump this in there. I don't want to lose what's inside here. But that's the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. Now, what else we got in here? Okay, one more, hang on. This is Treluce, or Tresluce. This is Beautiful Bella, the Shadow Quad. Beautiful Bella. Now, I saw this, and I noticed this, and I don't know if you guys pay attention to things like this, but I do. On the back, it shows eyeshadows and it has a picture of an eye, which is totally fine. And then down here you have your pressed pigments and it has the same picture of an eye with a line through it. Now, I looked it up to find out what that was, and it's not approved in the US because of the fact that they are crushed, you know, it's crushed glitter, they're flecks. And they can get in the eye and they can disturb the eye and they can aggravate the eye and so forth and so on. It's kind of use at your own risk type of thing. So, not that any of that matters. I was just that, you know, that I noticed that on the back of the package. Okay, so here's the little, that's the back. It's got a little roadmap on the back. Pretty blue packaging. There she is. Tresluce. And here's our colors. So you get 2 and 2. So you got 2 eyeshadows, 2 pressed pigment. Shall we swatch them? We're going to start out at the bottom. These 2 chocolate. That nice corner, outer corner, and then your transition. Huh. You see that? Okay. Hang on a second. You just sit still. And if Leanne's watching, keep your eyes on the road. Where is it? That transition is so light. I mean light. So there's the colors. Can you see that really light transition one? Let me try. Good Lord, that's soft. Feels like a puppy, brand new puppy. That's how soft it is. This one right here, that thing is crazy soft inside the little pan. So this one right here is what I'm talking about. Phew, that's nuts. That thing feels like butter. But the other two, real pretty. There you go. That's your last product. So now let's check to see how much these things are worth. Like I said, there's the list. Okay, the first one is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. There's a reason every makeup artist keeps this mist in the kit. It's perfect for setting liquid, cream, and powder foundation throughout the day. Each spritz delivers a refreshing hit of hydration. If you can get it out of the little container, then you betcha. I think you're gonna feel these benefits. It delivers a refreshing hit of hydration via an ultra-fine micro mist that won't make your makeup run, smear, or pill. Okay. The tip is to spray this on your foundation brush or your sponge to give your foundation a dewy glow. And it retails for $48 for 40 milliliters. Like I said, it is expensive. It is very expensive. Crazy, crazy expensive. And the Bella in Argent, the Secret Power concealer brush, this one here, this silver, it says meet your new favorite multitasker. Use this one brush to cover, conceal, and touch up your makeup without smudging your look. Tip, use the brush to apply product, then dab and swipe to blend. It retails for $16. This is considered full size, obviously, for all the obvious reasons. The next one by Real Her is I Am Loved Lip Liner. This super smooth, plump lip liner does more than deliver high impact color. It's made with nourishing ingredients like shea butter and jojoba oil that help lock in moisture and glide on your lips like butter. The long-wearing formula stays on without feathering or smudging. Use the liner to outline your lips, then fill them in with the liner or your favorite lip color. This is considered full size at $13. Are you getting all that? I'm not wearing it. So the Pure M pH Balance Calming Toner. And this multitasker toner is about to be the new MVP of your skincare routine. It's made with 3 kinds of hyaluronic acid and organic silica to deeply hydrate while calming and smoothing your skin. Plus the milky texture feels so satisfying. Pour toner into palms, then gently pat into skin until it's all absorbed. Retails at $28. This is a deluxe sample. And then lastly, the Treluce Beauty. And if I'm not saying that right, my deepest apologies to the company, because you guys are the ones that come up with these names. Beautiful Bella Eyeshadow Quad. It says, meet your new go-to eyeshadow palette. Each of the matte and shimmer shades in this quad are inspired by Becky G's Latinx heritage. Latina. Okay, I knew that was Becky G's. I just wanted to make sure for sure. Plus, they're infused with softening Mexican blue agave nectar, so they glide on like butter with zero fallout. That's why that one felt just like, I'm telling you, it felt like a puppy, like a brand new puppy. So soft. It comes in at $30. This is a deluxe sample. So if you were to get the full eyeshadow palette that I believe came in the Boxy or IPSY, could have been IPSY, I don't know. They're swapping products now, so who knows where you're getting it from. But nonetheless, if you guys got any of the Treluce, if you got any of these, there was the makeup brushes, and then there was a palette. So I believe these came out of that palette. The tip says to swipe the shadows on alone or mix and match them for a custom eye look. So those there are all 5 of your items that you get inside this cute little green crushed velvet makeup bag. So hope you guys liked all these 5 little products. They're kind of cool. I mean, I'm more excited about than anything. I will get use out of both of these, no problem. It'll be gone before the next week. This will go into my full-size container. So all in all, this makeup bag will probably end up as a gift filled with other products at some point in time in the future, because all these items will be coming out of it, and they'll be getting used a lot. Royal Treatment, by the way, that's the theme for IPSY for November. I got to keep on my videos, but I haven't gotten anything. That's the only thing that's come, so I'm not really sure what to say. All right, you guys, you take care of yourself, and I'll see ya in my next video. Bye.